So in this video, you'll learn how to add a weather widget to the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So the first step when it comes to adding a widget is to simply long press on the home screen to bring up the home screen editor. From here, tap on Widgets, and then you want to scroll through the different apps until you find weather. And then once you found it, tap on it to view the different styles that are available. So go ahead and scroll through the styles and select the one that you would prefer to use. And once you find it, just tap on it and then select Add. From here, you can see your widget has been successfully added to the home screen. To move it around, just long press on the widget and then drag it to whatever position you want on your home screen. If you want to move it across home screen pages, just drag it against the borders that you can see popping up on the sides of the tablet until you get to the next page. And then when you're ready, you can just let go of the screen to place the widget. You'll also notice that the widget has 4 handles that you can use to increase or decrease the size of the widget. So go ahead and have fun customizing the widget size on your tablet. And then when you're happy, you can just tap on an empty space and the widget will stop being deselected. The next step to customize the widget is to just long press on it and then select Settings. So under Settings, you can change the color of the widget. You can also choose to have it have a background or not. And you can even go a step further to change the location of the widget. So by default, it will use your location, so the current area that you're in. But if you want to change it to something else so that it shows another city or just another location, just tap on Change and then select this search function here and search for the location. Once you search for the location, you can see different areas in that specific location. So just tap on it like that to select it. And then once it's been added to this list of options, tap on it once, and then you can see how the widget will look like in the preview. From here, tap on Save to apply the changes, and you can automatically see the difference in the weather widget. And so that's how you can add and customize a weather widget on the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.